back in the old days, and by old days I mean way back when you were a beginner, we did these drills, whether it was overhand or underhand, where we did same time, same time, same time, same time, split time, split time, split time, split, same time, same time, same time, same, split time, split time, split time, split. We have never done in our practice together, I don't think there's been a context where you've done that same thing, same time, same time, same time, same, split time, split time, split time, split, to have control of the poi where you can maintain either split time or same time with the arms crossed like that. It is, I don't think it's a little harder. I think it's substantially harder because, well, I mean, you don't have boobs, so maybe you don't feel like your boobs are in the way, but for me, I feel like when I'm doing, like, I mean, your arms are, they're in the way, so I feel like you have to hold your arms in a very different place than down here, so it's harder to control up top because you're working with, the width of the chest is different than the width of the waist. There's just a lot of different elements. So I think even these drills with the arms crossed, where you're practicing holding them in split time with the crossed arms, both in overhand and in underhand, will be useful. And in your case, because you're doing the movement with the right hand on top, practice it with the right on top.